Hello students, in this video we are going to see about silicates, its types, classification and structure with examples. Here are the picture which shows that the silicate minerals with examples, namely feldspar, mica, quartz and pyroxene and olivine. So these are the silicate mineral examples. Now what are silicates? Silicates are the compounds of silicon and oxygen. So silicon Si and oxygen, the formula is O. So SiO, so it's compound. So together combined to give silicates. It consists of the units SiO4, 4 minus or minus 4, and it is a structure is tetrahedral structure. So it consists of SiO4, 4 minus. So tetrahedral structure. Now we are going to see the structure, that is how the SiO4, 4 minus arises. The center atom is silicon and the 4 oxygen atom which is bonded to silicon atoms only. All the oxygen atoms, they are directly attached to silicon, but one oxygen cannot bonded with another oxygen. So there is no oxygen bond, only there is a silicon oxygen bond is present. That is all the 4 oxygen atom which is directly connected to the center of the silicon atom, and the dotted lines which represents, it is looking like a tetrahedral structure. Here this picture also shows that the tetrahedral structures after this bonding, in the center part silicon, one dot is there, no, that is a silicon, and the 4 oxygen, they are surrounded with there is directly attached to silicon, and the O minus. So there are 4 oxygen atom, so each oxygen carries one negative charge, so it is a SiO4, 4 minus units, and it looking like a tetrahedral structure. The next we are discussing about, that is the structure is again repeated. Then the silicon, the hybridization for silicon, because silicon which belongs to carbon family, that is 14th group elements, like carbon, silicon, germanium, no. So like a carbon, it is a configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Here for silicon, it is the next element, so 3s2, 3p2. In 3s orbital 2 electrons, 3p orbital, that is 2 electrons are splitted into 3px, 3py, and hybridization is sp3. How it arises? Because hybridization means in 3s orbital, that is 1 electron is shifted to the 3pz orbital. So there arises 4 empty orbitals. So if the oxygen atom is go and join, that is 4 oxygen atom go and join with each orbitals, now it gets sp3 hybrid orbitals. So in silicates, what is the hybridization means? It is sp3, and what is the structure means? It is a tetrahedral structure. These silicates, they may be discrete as many units and may be linked together by a sharing corners. That means either which a chain form or ortho form or cyclic form of silicates. The discrete units means each SiO4 by 4 minus units, they are linked together by sharing corners, only sharing at the corners and not by sharing with the edges and faces. So here the nearly 95% of the earth crust, which is composed of silicate minerals and silica, that is most of the earth crust which is composed of silicate minerals and silica. The glass and the ceramic industries are based on the chemistry of silicates. So glass and ceramic industries also based on their chemistry of silicates. Now we are going to discuss about the classification of silicates. That is, first type is orthosilicates. That is orthosilicates, otherwise it is called as a neso, N-E-S-O, nesosilicates. These contains of discrete SiO4, 4 minus. The tetrahedral, there is no sharing of corners, only that unit alone. So it is a tetrahedral units are called as orthosilicates or nesosilicates, and the example is Zn2SiO4 and Mg2SiO4 otherwise called as olivine. The second one we call it as the pyrosilicates. The silicates which contain Si2O7 6 minus. Si2O7 6 minus, otherwise called as sorosilicates or disilicates. So, sorosilicates. The silicates which contain Si2O7 6 minus ions are called as pyrosilicates or sorosilicates. And they are formed by the two joining of, so ortho means only one SiO4 4 minus unit, but here in pyro ரெண்டு SiO4 2 units join together ஆகுது with the help of center oxygen atom. Okay, so these are formed by the joining two SiO4 4 minus tetrahedral units by sharing one oxygen atom at one corner. That is, one oxygen is removed while joining. Example is tautovitite Se2Si2O7. That is the given structure which examples which shows that is silicon, that is Sc2 Si2 and O7, because 2 scandium, instead of scandium 2 it is given as 6 minus ion. So silicon 2 silicon is there, and if you count the oxygen, here 3 oxygen, here also 3 oxygen, so 6, in between one oxygen is linked. So both the silicates are linked with sharing with one oxygen atom. So its structure name is called as tautovitite. The name is Sc2Si2O7 6. That is, if you put 6 minus means no need to write Sc2. If you write Sc2 means Sc2 scandium Sc2Si2O7. Its structure is given. See, the two tetrahedral units, they are joined together by center one oxygen atom. So while share, that is two tetrahedral units are by sharing with the one oxygen atoms at one corner only. Then third type is cyclic silicates or ring silicates. Cyclic, so ring will be closed one. Cyclic silicates or ring silicates, its unit is SiO3 2 minus N times. So SiO3N, that N, that is 2, actually it is a 2N minus, SiO3 N times 2N minus ions which are formed by the linking 3 or more tetrahedral SiO4 units. So if we combined 3 units together means we get a closed chain structure. So silicates which contain SiO3N minus ions which are formed by linking 3 or more tetrahedral units called as cyclic silicates. Each silicate unit shares 2 of its oxygen atoms with the other unit. See the picture, you can easily show. Here is a one tetrahedral unit. This side is another one tetrahedral unit, top one tetrahedral unit. So if we connect each 3 tetrahedral unit, we get a closed structure. So 3 tetrahedral units, it forms a triangle shape, as well as 6 tetrahedral units if it joined means we get one more structure, that is cyclic structure. See, in the left side it shows that 1, 2, 3 tetrahedral units. So it is also form a cyclic. Here it forms 6 tetrahedral. Top 3 and bottom 3, they are collectively we get. That is, don't consider that dotted line is a bond. Dotted line, nothing but it is looking like a tetrahedral structure. So here also Si6O18 minus 12 or 12 minus. So the main example for this is beryl, Be3Al2SiO3 6, and aluminosilicates with each aluminium is surrounded by 6 oxygen atoms octahedrally. So here also the example is given. Wolartrite, no need to learn this example. So better beryl is an example. That is Be3Al2SiO3 6. This is an aluminosilicates because aluminium is one of the metal. Aluminosilicates with each aluminium is surrounded by 6 oxygen atoms octahedrally. I will show in the picture. I will post in the group. So next silicate is chain silicates. That is classification of first, that is ortho, pyro and cyclic. They are coming under that is 2-dimensional structures. So next we are going to see about that chain silicates, ionosilicates, metasilicates, pyroxenes and linear silicates. So first, chain silicates. That is, chain silicates is otherwise called as pyroxenes. Pyroxene. First, ionosilicates means what? Silicates which contain n number of silicate units linked by sharing 2 or more oxygen atoms are called as ionosilicate. It's an important question. What are ionosilicates? Which contain n number of silicate unit. Same SiO4 unit and the unit n number எடுத்துக்கிட்டு by each units they are linked by sharing 2 or more oxygen to form a long chain compound. We call it as a chain silicates. As well as they are further divided into, these ionosilicates are further divided into what? Chain silicates and double chain silicates. So first, generally we call it as ionosilicates. Ionosilicates means what? நிறைய நம்பர் ஆஃப் டெட்ராஹெட்ரல் யூனிட்ஸ் எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து வித் கம்பைன் பண்ணும்போது ஆக்சிஜன் அஸ் அ சென்டர் ஆஃப் தி ஆட்டமாக இருந்து கனெக்ட் பண்ணிச்சு அப்படின்னா அதில் 2 டைப் நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. ஒன் இஸ் செயின் சிலிகேட்ஸும், இன்னொன்று வந்து டபுள் செயின் சிலிகேட்ஸ் நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. ஸோ அதில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைப் இஸ் செயின் சிலிகேட்ஸில் வென் தீஸ் சிலிகேட்ஸ் விச் contain SiO3 n 2n minus ions formed by linking n number of units. Here each silicate unit share 2 of its oxygen atoms with other units. See, here one tetrahedral, top one tetrahedral, bottom one, top one, bottom one. So each units they are joined together by one oxygen atom. So when 2 oxygen atoms are being shared with 2 tetrahedral to form a chain. Example, spodumene, diopside. So spodumene is the best example. LiAl SiO3 twice. So one example is enough. Spodumene. The next type is double chains. Double chain silicates. These silicates contain Si4O11N6N minus. Here in these silicates there are 2 different types of tetrahedra. Those sharing 3 vertices and those sharing only 2 vertices. So double chains are also formed by joining 2 chains. These are called as amphiboles. See, 2 chains. The example which is given for the double chain silicates are, that is, one is asbestos. See, the example is asbestos. Here these are the fibrous and non-combustible silicates. So example for double chain silicate is given as, that is nothing but otherwise double chain silicates otherwise called as amphibole. What do you mean by amphibole? These are fibrous and non-combustible silicates. Therefore they are used for thermal insulation material, brake lining, construction material and filters. Asbestos being carcinogenic silicates, their applications are restricted. So here one more example is given, that is thermolite. So thermolite is nothing but it is a calcium magnesium silicates. In your textbook it is given as asbestos, the same picture only which shows the example, that is asbestos. It is one of the fibrous and non-combustible silicates. Then next type is sheet silicates. In sheet silicates otherwise called as phyllosilicates. Phyllo, Phyllo, phyllosilicates. These are formed by sharing of 3 bridging oxygen per silicon atom. So 3 bridging oxygen per silicon atom. So a 2-dimensional sheet is formed. Silicates which contain Si2O5N2N minus are called as sheet or phyllosilicates. In each SiO4 minus tetrahedron units shares 3 oxygen atoms with the others and thus forming 2-dimensional sheets. Here 3 oxygen of tetrahedral are being shared, so there is 1 unit negative charge per tetrahedral. This negative charge neutralized by cations between sheets. The best example is here is talc, mica, muscovite. These are the example. So main example is talc and mite. See, these sheet silicates are layered structures in which the silicate sheets are stacked over each other. ஒன்றுக்கு மேலே ஒன்று அப்படியே படிஞ்சிருக்கும். The attractive forces between these layers are very weak and hence they can be cleaved easily as it is similar to graphite structure. So sheet silicates means is otherwise called as phyllosilicates. So here each tetrahedral unit shares 3 oxygen atom with others and thus by forming a 2-dimensional sheets. Here are the pictures. See, one tetrahedral, that is 3 tetrahedral unit you have to take. So 1, 2, 3. So these tetrahedral units are shared with 3 oxygen atom. So all the, if you see the picture, all the tetrahedral units are connected with 3 oxygen atoms. So this one tetrahedral, so top one tetrahedral and side one tetrahedral, here one tetrahedral, all these are connected with 3 oxygen atoms. So the best example for sheet silicate is talc and mica, and formula is Si2O5 2N minus. The last topic, the last type is three-dimensional silicates, otherwise called as tectosilicates, tecto, and having a general formula SiO2 n times, SiO2 n times. Silicates when all the 4 corners oxygen atom of tetrahedral are shared. That means all the 4 oxygen atoms are shared. There is three-dimensional network is formed. All the oxygen atoms are shared with other tetrahedral to form a three-dimensional network, are called as three-dimensional or tectosilicates, and having a general formula is SiO2. This type of silicates is a neutral form because there is no charges. All the 4 oxygen atoms are shared with other tetrahedral units. So it forms a three-dimensional network, and otherwise it is called as a tectosilicates. And the best example for this three-dimensional silicate is quartz. Here the tectosilicates can be converted into three-dimensional aluminosilicates by replacing Si4O44 units by AlO4 5 minus units. The best example is feldspar and zeolite, etc. So far children, in this video we saw about the types of silicates, orthosilicates, pyrosilicates, cyclic silicates, and ionosilicates, chain, double chain silicates, and sheet silicates. So that in three-dimensional silicates, the best example is quartz. So thank you children.